The show, we will have 108 bottles of, well, slightly flat, slightly minty flavored soda. And if any of you would like a souvenir, you can come over to the sides of the stage, and we will bring bottles to the edge of the stage, and you can have a little souvenir of Maker Faire to take home with you. Do recognize that there are slightly more than 108 of you here today. So we only have 108, but we're happy to give those to you and let you have a souvenir of your time here at Maker Faire. Are you just about ready? Yeah. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Let's make a really big mess.
Tap, 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 tap. 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 Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap.